Here's some 1971 muscle. Chevrolet Malibu two-door hardtop. Now, as you can see, you have the SS emblems on the side of this 454. This does have a 454 big block underneath the hood. Now, if you took a look at a 1971 Chevrolet new car brochure, right on the sales floor back then, it would have stated that the Chevelle was their economy model. And a step up from that was the Malibu. And you could get the Malibu with an SS package and a 454, as well as an array of different engines. Now, if you want to check out that engine bay, the underside of this car, interior trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website so you can see it. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. So, 454 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. This was originally an AC car also. It appears most of the components are there. From what I can tell, I have got the AC compressor to turn it on and off, but I have not got it to blow cold. Did I mention Ati Ignition Headers? Nice sounding, nice running car. That's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. This was originally a black paint code car with black vinyl interior. I believe 19 was the paint code for that, and that's also easily to tell by the data tag. And you can see up and down the car, nice and straight, not full of a bunch of dings or nicks or scratches. The way you see this car is the way that it came into us. Did not do the restoration on this one at all. Interior, horseshoe shifter, center console buckets. Did notice radio obviously has not been installed in this car yet. There are speakers, some 6x9s in the rear deck, and there are a few extra parts that'll go with it too. I'll swing around and show you in a second too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Dual exhaust coming out the rear. Now there are a few extra parts. It looks like some plumbing for venting in the car, and then there is an aftermarket radio that'll be in there. Again, some more vents here. There is a fan switch in that box, and you can see those in the still pictures too. Remember, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Riding on the rally style Chevy wheels, some Goodyear Eagles. With this black paint, yeah, you'll find a few imperfections here and there, but overall you can see the nice gloss that it has. Again, not full of dings or nicks or scratches down the driver's side here. I think there's over 100 pictures of this car online where we have it listed on our website, so feel free to take your time and look through those and see what you think. And again, call or email if you have any questions. Door panels, carpeting and seats, decent shape. I did notice you got a little, where was it at? A little cracking. This one in the vinyl right here. It's not through to the interior of the seat, but the vinyl does have a little crack in there. But seat belts all the way around. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can run. We'll check out that engine bay also. Odometer reads 83-some thousand miles. Can't confirm or deny that as far as original or not, unless you have paperwork that goes along with it. This one we do not. And again, it has been restored along the way somewhere. Wipers do work. Had those going earlier. Let you know that. They're nice at idles. A little rumble coming out of that big block. Headliner, nice shape. Flip around to the back of this thing here, run. Pretty healthy. This one will turn some heads. You cruise into any of your local shows or local cruise-ins. I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop the hood for you guys and check out this engine. Alright, there's the 454, 365 horse engine underneath there, and there is a picture of the deck stamping, all code, CNC, suffix code, everything on there. That's in the still picture. You can see headers, AC components, Ati Ignition, and again, power steering, power brakes, and that is paired with the turbo 400 automatic transmission. So there you go, 1971 Chevrolet Malibu. Two-door hardtop, 454 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the listing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate